Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you can see, this is the mighty box I'm going to be unveiling in this video. Yeah, this bag is filled with money, and this is how I carried it from my house to my shop. People would not even know I was carrying money or more. So this is the money. After emptying the box, this was the big money I saw inside. Yeah, this is plenty money, plenty money. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't go anywhere, guys. Keep on watching. Welcome back, guys. So it is time to unveil our mighty box, right? Yeah, it's time to open the bag. So I have to bring it out from the bag. I actually doubled the bag so that people will not even have a slight knowledge of what it contained. Like they didn't even know what I was carrying. They didn't know I was carrying big money, and I was just walking majestically with it. So this is the box. This is what it actually looks like. I'm just shaking it to make sure that my money is still intact. Yeah, and my money is still there. This is what it looks like. For those that don't know what it is a saving box. Some people call it colo, some people call it piggy bank, and whatever you choose to call it, saving box. So I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm so happy I want to open this box. I don't know, it's not even my first time, but I'm just excited, the joy of having money. Oh my god. So guys, remember this box, you don't just buy it anywhere. You don't buy it anywhere. So you not get into the wrong hands. Before you purchase this, please make sure the person you're buying from is a trusted person. Yeah, I'm just peeping to make sure that my money is there. And the money is there, yeah. So make sure you buy from someone who you trust, because I've heard a lot of stories about people who they buy this, and after saving their money, by the time they open it, they don't see anything inside, or they might just see the lowest naira notes inside. All right, so I bought this from a Yoruba man, and he has been my furniture man since I think 2018 or 2019 thereabout, and I trust him so much, and I've been buying from him. I've even bought for my family and friends, and it is legit. So you have to be careful if you want to buy from someone you trust. All right, so guys, stay with me as I open this box. See our money. The money is there. Yeah, let me just open it up a little bit so that I can chook my hand inside and bring out the money. Here we go. So I think it's okay now, and I can bring out the money from the box now. Oh, these are the lowest notes inside. So I'm arranging my money. You can come and help me and arrange it. Yeah, come and help me and count the money. Accountant general. So I'm just arranging the highest currency, which is the 1000 naira notes. So I'm just arranging them first, and after that, after the 1000 naira, I'll go over to 500. Oops, I just remembered I didn't lock my door. I'm in the shop, and my shop is just along the road. Someone might just pop in and see me with money and think that maybe I keep money in the shop. I know they keep money for shop. I beg, I have to go and lock my door so that nobody can come in and see me. So guys, we're almost done with the 1000 naira notes, and after that we'll be going into the 500 naira notes. Okay. So I'm done arranging them this is the smallest. Like, how did I get this? I remember the day I actually put this money. I was like, I've not been putting money. Let me just put, even if it's 500. So I had to just bring this to 200 and 100 and just put. Let's not be like I didn't put anything. So who is going to help me and count? So just guess how much I have here. You wanna guess? Okay. So I have this my record book where I record the money I put inside. So any day I put money inside the box, I write it down on this notebook. So as you can see, this is what I do. I actually started this in March. You can see what I wrote as the heading, Colo for shop at Livia Perez. So you see I started in March, April, May, up till this month, up to July. So I actually have a record. So guys, as I was saying, this one Colo for shop at Livia Apparels. All right. So I actually started in March. So you can see that in March I saved 20,000, and this is April. In April I saved 69,000. Oh wow, April was my highest month. All right, and then this is May, and in May I saved 2,000 naira only. Just imagine May. I saved only once in May, and this was the month of my father's burial, so I saved on only 2,000. June, the next month, I saved just 1,000 naira in June. Oh, that was so bad. And July, how much did I save? I have 1,000, 6,000, 10,000, 15,000, 16,000. So I saved a total of um, of 16,000 naira. So I saved a total of 16,000 in May. So I have my 89, 91, 92, 108. Okay, 108,000. So I have here 108,000. This is what I have on my record. All right, 8,000 naira. Okay, so over to our money. All right, guys. So I'm going to start counting this. So this is my 1,000 naira notes. 1,000 naira notes. I'm going to count how many pieces of 1,000 naira I have here. All right. So I'll just count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Eighty-four. 84. So 1,000 naira notes. For 1,000 naira notes, 84 pieces. And then 500 naira. So I'm going to just count my 500. Alright? So this will just stay. Nowhere near. 4. I'm going to count how many pieces I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 7, 48. So I have 48 pieces for this. And then 200 naira notes. I have just 2 pieces. And 100 naira notes. I have 1 piece. So guys, this is what I've just written out. I have 1,000 naira notes. I have 84 pieces, which is 84,000. And then I have 500 naira notes, 48 pieces, which is 24,000. I have 200 naira notes, 2 pieces, which is 400 naira. I have 100 naira notes, 1 piece, which is 100. And when I add this up, I'm going to have 84 plus 24 is 108,500. So I have 108,500. You see? So this is what I have in my saving box. This is what I have in my saving box, and this is what I wrote on my book. All right, I have extra 500 naira. Extra 500. Hope you can see that. So, guys, here is my money. Hey, 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 hey. I'm so happy, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your love and support. It means so much to me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. And you, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel right now and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Share to everyone that is scared of saving with these bots. It really works, it really helps. It has helped me a lot, a whole lot. I saved for 5 months, right? I saved April and March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, 5 months. I saved for 5 months and I got 108,500. Guys, imagine I do this for like 5 days. So, and as soon as I'm done with this, like tomorrow, I'm taking this to my furniture guy. Is going to cover it up, like he's just going to remove this up and cover it. Now I can trust this box, like it is genuine, it is legit. I'm still going to use it, so I'm just going to check it up and start another one. This is August, and August just started. Today is 2nd of August, and August just started. So I'm just going to wait before next tomorrow, or let me say tomorrow. I've already started again. Yeah, so guys, I'm just going to run and go and pay for my rent. Like my shop rental expired, and I don't want my lawyer or landlord to feel my neck. So I really have to rush and pay this money. It's not complete. What I have here is not enough. I'm just going to go to the bank, withdraw the remaining money, add it up, and go and pay. I don't want landlord wahala. Seriously, I don't want wahala. Oh. So I'm just going to hurry up, pack this money and hide it. Where I'm going to hide this money. Hey, imagine that I'm doing this in my shop. Like I couldn't do it at home because I don't then go into any account my money. Yeah, don't help me. So I'm glad I did this, and I'm glad I'm always doing this. Like it helps me a lot, and I've really come a long way. And this has been my saving grace, yeah, because I can't keep money in the bank. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you for your love and support. It means a lot to me. Thank you for subscribing. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Help my ministry. Help this small girl to know. I beg, help me. And you are my helper. Subscribe to this channel. Support my small business. Subscribe and follow me on Facebook. I have a Facebook page, Lydia Apparels, and I also have a Facebook group, Slay and Grow with Lydia. Okay, so join my Facebook group, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram at Lydia Apparels, Lydia_Apparels. All right, and thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your time. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Share this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in my next video. Bye.